I want to look at Dhanurasana. And I definitely want to cover Ustrasana. So if we're running short of time, we'll just look at those two, okay? Because I've seen a couple of funky things going on in class. Which is fine. We're all a bit funky. One more A, Dway. Trini, heart then head. Chatwari, exhale. Pancha, nice and soft. Inhale, heart then head. Shat 6, exhale, head first, then bottom up. Inhaling, adjust feet if you need to. And exhale your navel in. One, inhale. Exhale. Two, inhale. Bend. Bend. Exhale. Lateral. Lateral. Three, inhale. Good, don't have to straighten them. Exhale. Four, inhale. Exhale. Five, Supta. Ashtanga. Nava. Samastitihi. Actually, I just want to show you a little alternative to Bekasana if you're finding the two hands difficult. Because we didn't really fully cover that the other day, we ran out of time. So if you're at the stage where you're managing the one leg, but it's just not going on for the two, you can do your one leg to keep that work, try the two leg, and if it's not happening, I think rather than struggling, you're better off bringing your hands onto the tops of your feet and lifting from there. You can still have your frog legs to try and push away. Try it, just try it, because if you don't need it, a student might, just as an interim thing, plus it's a nice little warm-up. Aikam. Dway. You could have just laid down, but Lucia was guiding us from a full vinyasa. Trini.
Thank you.
Chatwari. Exhale. Prepare. So just do the easy peasy version. Bend in the knees. You can keep the knees together. Flats of the hands on the feet. Keep the head, the neck long, and little lift. Now frog legs still. Frog legs still. Push into them. Good. 2. Frog legs. 3, legs together. 4 and 5. Release, don't let them ping. Shat, inhale, upward facing. Supta, exhale, downward facing. Ashto, inhale, step, walk or jump. Nava, exhale, fold. Dasha, inhale all the way up. Samastitihi. It's just a little thing I had to do when it just wasn't happening. And if you're progressing a bit more as well, something else, remember to stay really, really low. So if you get to a point that you're here, really low, soft and medial. Some of you, you're right, yeah. So you know we were talking about that length before for Shalabhasana. Yeah, nice and low, and that might be your pose for a while. But your shoulders are covered.
Hand right and one with it.
Yeah, rather than fighting, I would say work to this, stay really low, see if you can get that.
Yeah.
Just giving you a little progression because I've just seen a few of you struggling. Aikam, inhale. Dway, exhale. Trini, Chatwari, lay down, prepare. So, just stay low with the forehead on the floor and bend your legs. Reach for your ankles. Now, put your head back down. Find a little bit of length in the back. Yeah, little subtle tailbone. Can you actually get your ankles? Flex your feet. See whether you've dorsiflex your feet. See if you've got your ankles or whether you're grabbing your feet. It may be for your openings or the length of your arms. You can't get your ankles. But for those of you who can, get your ankles and don't grab with the thumb. Bring the thumb down the side of the shin. Head down. Now just start to string your bow. Just start to let the legs move away to initiate the heart lift. Then you might see if the legs lift. But don't just lift them. Keep drawing back. Keep drawing back. Keep drawing back. Stay there. So you're really stringing your bow, but don't be looking for the end result or that picture that you've seen. Keep drawing the shins to the back. Keep tightening, tightening, tightening. And exhale, release. Hands under the shoulders. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing. Good. Ashto, step, walk or jump. Nava, forward fold. Let's do Desha. And exhale. Just sit down. What I saw this morning with a student was this. Yeah, twisting. Don't want twisting, so just come onto your knees. Think of the pose that comes after it. If you Lagu, if you can't find your feet, or this is going on and the back's hurting, subtle pelvic tilt, back to these legs again. Go medial with your shoulders. You can put your toes under today if you're feeling tight this afternoon. Go soft, go soft, go soft, go soft. Come back up. Good. A little bit of Lagu coming upward. Soft, 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 soft with the arms. Find the landing. Elbows bent. Then you can work from that foundation. That foundation, if you want to. You can stay there, you can play with it. Yeah. So if we're going like this, it's all in here and here. Space, some power, find your landing and work that way for the hips forward. And if the elbows, so you've gone from medial shoulders, elbows bent, then you can start to find the lateral work and the hips forward.